Now we're going to show you a function called assign and maintain ingredients. And this allows you to create a shopping list, for example, for your the items that you're going to prepare for a menu. Um, it also allows you to cost your menus. And we're going to do an example here. We're going to have an appetizer of a shrimp cocktail. And we'll go over to the ingredients function, maintain ingredients function, and we see we don't have any jumbo shrimp in here. So we're going to add that, and it's going to be by the ounce. And we'll call it 60 cents an ounce. And we'll also add cocktail sauce here as an ingredient. We'll also call that by the ounce, and we'll call that at 10 cents an ounce. So now we've added two new ingredients into our ingredients list. And we see come back over to the assign ingredients function, and we can see that we now have a cocktail sauce. And we're going to put that in as by the ounce. We're going to say we use 1 ounce for this menu item. So we'll save it. And now we can see that we have an assigned ingredient cocktail sauce. And so now we have cocktail sauce in our ingredients. And now we're going to add jumbo shrimp. So we double click on jumbo shrimp to get that as the selected ingredients here. That will also be an ounce. And each shrimp, let's say, will be 2 ounces. So we'll save that. Okay, now we have jumbo shrimp and cocktail sauce as part of our assigned ingredients. Now what we can do is roll up the costs of this. And what's happened now is that the system has gone through all of the assigned ingredients and updated all the menu items that had assigned ingredients. You can see we had 4 menu items updated. So there were already some menu items that had ingredients assigned to them. So now the costs are rolled up and they're included in the menu maintenance menu item. And we'll look at that in a minute. You can then apply those cost updates, to any open or pending, that is, events that have not occurred yet. So we click that button, and now we can see that there was only one item order record updated by clicking the apply costs. So we only had one record that called out appetizer shrimp cocktail, and none of the other ingredients that were updated were in pending events. So what we'll do is we'll go over there and take a look at that event. Happen to know what that event is. And it's Ron's event. We'll go over the order screen, and we can see we have an appetizer in there of shrimp cocktail. Now what we're going to do is go to the production report, and that's May 8th. And we're going to click on the production report for May 8th. And we can see here that we're going to use 25 ounces of shrimp cocktail sauce and 50 ounces of shrimp cocktail for this event. We could also show the costs. In this case, we got a report by item, shrimp cocktail. We can see that Ron's event used 25 ounces of cocktail sauce and 50 ounces of jumbo shrimp, and the total cost to us was $32.50. And I said that we're going to show you about the menu cost roll-up, and we're looking at the appetizer function here, and shrimp cocktail, and you can see that the cost of goods here is $1.30. So if we go back to assign ingredients, we'll just validate that. Shrimp cocktail. We can say we can see we use 1 ounce of cocktail sauce, 2 ounces of jumbo shrimp, and if we went back here, 1 ounce of cocktail sauce is 10 cents. 2 ounces is $1.20, so it's $1.30 of material for that menu item. And that's highlights for the assign maintain ingredients function.